So let's start a new project for this week. Go to File, New Project. And I'm going to give this a name, Skillshare Week 2. Okay. Again, leave these unchecked. We want a clean project. Takes a minute for Unity to start a new project, but now we have our new project here. Great. Okay, now let's install Playmaker. So the way this works is Playmaker is a plugin or an add-on to Unity, so it's going to add more features to the Unity editor that we can use. And the benefit of Playmaker, one of the main benefits for us in this class, is that it allows you to create interactions and movements of objects without going into coding. And I think that's a powerful tool, especially for those of us who didn't come from a technical background. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure you've downloaded the student version from the website. And I want to thank Alex and Aaron for their generosity for this class. Right. Okay, so let's go to Assets, Import Package. Right, so what you want to do is you want to import a Playmaker package and go to Custom Package. So down here you have all these packages that comes with Unity, all these packages that come with Unity, but we want a custom one. We want one that we just downloaded. So go to Custom Package, and we are going to find that file that you've downloaded. Okay, so you find your file and you open it. So it's going to have a .unity package sort of file name in it, but if it might be hidden for you. But anyways, find this file, open it up. And it's going to import all these files into your Unity just for this package. So here's another thing about these add-ons is whenever you import one, it's only imported to a specific project. If you only want to use Playmaker for one project but not the other, that's totally fine. You're not changing your Unity application in any significant way in that sense. So it's project specific. So we're going to import this into this particular project. Click on import. It might take some time for the software to integrate the two. Okay, now we have, you can see that before we didn't have anything in our assets folder because we haven't added anything yet, but now we have 3 new folders here, and these are all essential files for Playmaker. And then as you can see, we now have a Playmaker folder. If you go into the folder, have a few more folders and different things inside, but we're not going to worry about that for now. That's how you install a plugin, an add-on, or a Playmaker. And if you have Playmaker, let's say if you decided this is a tool for you, you can also find it on the Asset Store. So you go to the Asset Store as we talked about last week. This is where you find all these assets you can import. And if you go, it's a bit slow today, but yeah. And usually just type in search Playmaker, or if you scroll down, you'll find it. It's fairly popular. So we do that, and you can purchase this here as well. And then it will be the same process: purchase, download, and then import to your project. So another thing you can do is once you started collecting assets from the asset store, you can click on this button here the download manager, and find all the assets that you've bought, and then you can import them from here. Let's say I want to import the Spartan, then I can just import it again. Anything that you've bought before is going to show up here.